hosting one of the natural seven wonders of the world, home to great game safaris, world-class ecosystems, accommodating its warm, diverse cultures. This is South Africa. Our first stop on the eastern part of the country, located in Mpumalanga, meaning where the sun rises. We recommend renting a car as this province is very remote. Embrace the warmth of abundant nature, exploring the panoramic route, a place which led the world's largest gold rush in the 1800s. It is also known among the world's largest green canyons. Neighboring the route is the Kruger National Park, South Africa's largest wildlife sanctuary. We began exploring the park from the Palabora entrance, leading to the cultural heritage Masorini Archaeological Site, an Iron Age site providing a unique opportunity to explore the ancient heritage that predates to the 19th century. Then, of course, the unforgettable wildlife experience. As the park is 2 million hectares long, we recommend exploring for a minimum of 3 days. Much more affordable accommodation is found outside the park in holiday neighborhoods such as Marlof Park. And if driving becomes overwhelming, you can book a safari tour driven by experienced rangers who know the best routes for the full wildlife experience. Formerly known as the Eden District, the Garden Route. It was named based on its lush greeneries and coastal scene. It is located on the western coast of the country, and you can enjoy this route at your own pace. It usually takes 11 hours from the point that we started, Port Alfred, going down to Cape Town. Second stop, Tsitsikamma, meaning the place of waters. It is also known as the Adventureland. You can enjoy many activities such as zip lining and bungee jumping and many more. Along the garden route, don't miss out on the Storms River National Park, known for its beautiful rivers and lush rock formations. After a beautiful road trip, we finally arrived in Cape Town, home of one of the natural seven wonders of the world. This is because you can see the mountain from each and every part of the city. The mountain is accessible by foot or by cable cart. The hike should take approximately 4 hours. And while Cape Town is filled with multiple activities, shark diving was our favorite. Just make sure you keep your fingers in the cage. While Cape Town boasts in its beautiful beaches, one of the best is the Muizenberg, as it is characterized by these beautiful houses. And one thing they might not mention to you is that this is also the Windy City. Nearby you'll find the Boulders Beach, where you will just find these little cuties. Cape Point, also known as the Cape of Good Hope. This served as an anchor for lost sailors who were battling in the stormy seas. Did I mention windy? And if you're looking for freshly fished seafood, Hout Bay is the place to be. Located in the city center, Bo-Kaap is filled with colorful homes and its diverse Malay cultures. This place is just picturesque. The V&A waterfront is Cape Town's shopping capital. You can be exposed to multiple cultural dances, shops, restaurants, and many more. Characterized by its luxurious restaurants and hotels, its chic white sand beaches, Camps Bay is for those looking for the luxury lifestyle. To escape the concrete jungle into the more natural one, we recommend Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens. While Cape Town is a world on its own, we have dedicated a video specially for it. For more things to do and activities, see you there!